we have decreed the establishment at this time of a chapter of Phi Beta Kappa at Mississippi State University.
Well, this began in 1979, and we, for almost every 3-year cycle, we've put in an application to try to make the case for what we were doing at Mississippi State and why we value and why we're so skilled at the liberal arts and sciences.
It takes much more effort than just the members of Phi Beta Kappa on campus can give. We need hard data from all kinds of offices, so having the support of administrators and the offices they supervise is absolutely crucial.
For us to have this wonderful honor society on our campus, that puts us among the most elite colleges and universities in the nation. And it means that our very deserving, bright, talented honor students will now be able to be part of this great society.
It is the result of a lifetime of labor and accomplishments by the faculty, staff, students, and many supporters who have created at Mississippi State University an institution that exhibits the deep commitment to excellence in the liberal arts and sciences that Phi Beta Kappa embodies.
Out of all the societies I've been invited to join, this is the only one that I've had a ceremony for that was I felt this distinguished after being a part of.
This has been the culmination of 30 years of pushes from the administration and the faculty. I'm just lucky that I was here before I graduated and we got Phi Beta Kappa, so it's really exciting.